How to manage mindless snacking. There's so many different reasons that we can reach for food. Sometimes it's physical hunger and sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's psychological or emotional hunger. So it's worthwhile working out which one you are before starting to reach for something, because it can help you to make a better choice to support you and your overall nutrition and health requirements. First and foremost though, what is psychological hunger and what is physical hunger? Physical hunger is when you are actually truly hungry, and it's something which tends to come on a bit more slowly. Whereas psychological or emotional hunger is something which comes on really quickly and is more likely in relation to the environment or the situation you're finding yourself in. For example, maybe it's a really stressful day at work and so the fridge is calling you. Or maybe you're walking along the street and you can smell something which is making you want to walk into that shop and buy it. Or maybe you saw an ad on TV. Another reason that we sometimes might be looking for extra snacks across the course of the day is if we've actually not eaten enough through the day as well. So if you haven't eaten enough early on in the day, particularly if you're somebody who trains first thing in the morning, one of the things that can happen is you end up looking for more snacks across the day as well. So being mindful of eating enough through the day to help with managing that snacking can be helpful too. Another strategy that I really love is the apple test. In most situations, if you are truly physically hungry, an apple would probably do because you're truly hungry and apples for most people taste pretty good. But if it's emotional or psychological hunger, it's likely that maybe the apple's not going to do. So by checking in on that, it helps you to identify, is it that I'm truly hungry or is there something else going on? And then you can look at using some strategies to help with managing that. Maybe it's going for a walk around the block or just going outside to get some fresh air. Maybe it's calling a friend or family member to help you through that stressful situation. Or maybe it's finding something else to distract you when you're feeling maybe a little bit vulnerable, rather than using food as comfort. Hopefully those strategies have been really useful for you. When it comes to mindless snacking, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach and it's not a quick fix. It's something which is often a behaviour. So it's about making small changes over time and giving yourself the best shot.